Air compressor maintenance, inspection, cleaning and replacing of air suction filter, change oil of crankcase oil, crankcase inspection, cleaning of lobe oil screen, auto drain trap, replacing of lobe oil filter, inspection, cleaning and function test of magnetic valve or unloader, function test of pressure switch, and checking of pressure gauges, performance test, safety device test for lobe oil trip, and air high temperature, overhauling, cleaning, inspection and replacing of first stage valve assembly, second stage suction and delivery valve, overhauling of piston and changing of piston rings, cylinder head and inside of cylinder, cleaning of first and second stage cooler plate, and checking of anchor bolts for loosening, breakage, and wear.